Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TikTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GIF on TikTok. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click on this plus button to upload something first. Now, just upload something. From here, all you gotta do is click on this hover button and click on the stickers. Now you can search any GIF you want from here and just post it right here. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.